I'm Dr. Sara Salas. I'm a dermatologist with a subspecialty in hair restoration from the University of Tel Aviv, Israel. Today we're going to discuss about hair restoration. Hair restoration is a technique where we can use FUE, that stands for Follicular Unit Extraction, which is a very special technique to remove hair using extracting individual follicular units from the back or the sides, and we move those follicular units to the areas that you more need it. The crown, to reduce the temporal recessions, you want to lower the frontal hairline, or you have a scar that you want to fix, you want to cover after a surgical procedure or a plastic surgery, so we can do that with hair transplant. Hair transplant can be in combination with other treatments. We can do the FUE technique with long hair, like this hair as long as this, or short hair. If you use your hair short, we're gonna use the short hair version. So, seek for a free evaluation, call us today, book your appointment through Safe Medical Tourism.